Hi, you guys. Welcome into Welver's Creations. We're going to have a little fun with paper clips today. I like to make hidden paper clips for just about every journal, and I think it would be cute to leave part of this paper clip exposed. So then I can have a dangle off of the bottom, so this will hang down on the page, and then this one will provide some fun at the top of the journal. When it sits on the page, I can have a dangle there as well. So what I've done, I've just taken a piece of paper, and this is just scrap paper, and I've just measured it so that it fits within both of these little stamps. Now these little stamps are so fun and cute, and they're in this digital kit that I was telling you guys. So cute. So fun for a journal for Christmas at the beach. So what I want to do is add a little ink. I'm just going to use this Vintage Photo Distress ink. Okay, so let me show you guys, in case you're not familiar with hidden paper clips. This will then sit on the page like this, but you won't see this hidden part. Pretty cute, huh? And then this is going to cover it like so. And so we will have a dangle at the top, and then on this side, we'll have one hanging down here. I just think that'd be kind of fun. A little different twist than what I have done previously. So what I want to do is glue this so that it can still open. So I don't want to glue this together. I just want to glue on the sides so that this is stuck to this. So I'll just show you. And once it is on a page, you're not going to see the lineup, although I am trying to get it pretty straight here. On this side, and you wouldn't have to do any more decorating than this, but you know, I just can't leave it simple. I gotta add stuff, so. But of course, just decorate them to your own taste. I thought this might be kind of fun. So let's do some of that. Just kind of scrunch this little lace a little bit along here. And then you will slide your little paper clip onto your page. Isn't that cute? I love it. And then I'll glue that better. Put some on this side. So I think I'm going to do my little dangle because I want something to hang down here. So let's do that. We're going to do a little bit of jewelry here. Okay, so we've got a little chain on here, and I think I want to add these fun little beads at the bottom. I think that'll just be so sweet. So cute. That's really cute. Okay. How sweet. So cute. All right, so I still think it needs something more, because I just always do. So I picked up these little charms a couple years back on Amazon, and I think that's what I want. The little bells are cute. Oh, I think I like the mittens, or a stocking. But I like that because it's tiny. I like the pine cone because it's small for this tiny little paper clip. Okay, so I've got these cute little beads, and I want to do, I think I'm just going to use a jump ring off the top. Okay, so I like to decorate my jump rings, and so I'm going to. Okay, so what I did is I just added some beads to a jump ring and the cute little pine cone. So that'll be at the top of the journal. And then this is hanging down. So this journal does not have a cover yet, but I'm not sure how thick it's going to be, so I'm just kind of doing some of the ephemera first. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the page. That is so cute and fun. And then on this side, you just see the little skirt and the beautiful gem at the top. Okay, so let's add a little piece of paper. Isn't that cute? Isn't that fun? I don't want to cover up the little children, so let's put it on a truly plain piece. Okay, so here's the cuteness, and I think it turned out really good. And so I'm going to put this on one side. And look at this fun lighthouse that's got such a cute color scheme for this, but needs some ink. I love it on this red stripe paper too. I think that's so cute. Oh, what fun to have a little dangle at the top. Let's kind of put this back in our journal. There we go. Okay, so there is semi-hidden paper clip with a fun little dangle. I could put some more little charms on that too, but I think I'm going to leave mine, but that's an idea. And then there's a cute little pine cone with some beads. So fun. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. This was super fun to make.